What's one of the worst parts about being an adult? Having to do your own laundry and fold a fitted sheet. Most people will take a look at it, roll it up, and throw it to the side and not worry about it. But that's not neat and it's not organized. So today, I'm going to teach you how to fold a fitted sheet so that your sheet can look like this instead. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your sheet. Take your sheet, look for the different seams, and then you're gonna wanna take one and put it on your hand like this. So your hand is flush with the line of the seam. Hold on to that seam, you're gonna need that. The next step is to follow the seam along until you get to the next corner. Stick your hand in like you did previously. Bring your hands together like this, like you're clapping. Then you're going to grab the seam with this hand that you previously had, and then wrap the seams over. So then it looks like this. It'll lay just like that. And then you'll see where the seam can line up with your arm. The next step that you're gonna wanna do, follow the seam down all the way till you get to the next seam. You're gonna wanna roll it so that way it goes inside out again. Slide that along your arm with the next one. So now you have 3 of them laying on top of each other. Then grab the next seam. Slide your hand down till you get to the next corner, and you're gonna repeat the step again. Sometimes it gets a little bit tangled, that's okay. If you just fluff it around, you can get it in. So I just had to tuck it in. And then lay it on top with the other ones. So now, after you do that, you can just slide your hand in and it'll almost look like a square. So the next step that you're gonna wanna do is you're going to lay it out on a flat surface. So for the video, I'm using the floor, but it can also be a table or a bed, any kind of flat surface. So then you're going to take the sheet, you can grab from the bottom or the top, either way, and then fold it about 1/3 of the way up. Then repeat the step, but with the opposite side. After that, you'll have a nice smoother line, and then you can imagine that there are 3 lines going across it. 1, 2, and 3. From each of those lines, you'll grab, I personally like to karate chop where the line is, and then you just fold over. Repeat with the same step on the same other side, and then there's a little bit of a space in between. That kind of makes it a little bit easier because you're just gonna fold it over, and then you have a folded sheet.